How to swap crypto on your Exodus wallet. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to download the extension for the Exodus wallet, or if you have the mobile application you can just go ahead and open it up. Right after, open up the Exodus extension, and from here at the middle of the Exodus wallet, we then have this button where it is the swap button. You can just go ahead and click on it and it will take us to this website right here. Once inside, you want to choose the first asset that you want to swap. In my case, I want to swap my Bitcoin to Ethereum. So you can just go ahead and type how many Bitcoin do you want to swap with. So for example, I have 50 Bitcoin. I'll just go ahead and type 50 right here, and it will output how many Ethereum will I receive. Right after that, there will be the swap button right here. You can just go ahead and click on it and you should be good to go. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.